How you going, guys? Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I'm here working on this Roadstar beside me. Now, as you can see, we've already removed the composite panel that runs along the side of the van. This customer brought it into us originally because he had a collision with another vehicle where it's actually obviously damaged the whole front corner of this van and internally as well. So far we've just obviously removed the external skin. I'm just in the process now of removing all the wiring and all the staples that are actually securing the internal cupboards to the internal ply. Then we will be removing this whole entire wall, rebuilding all the internal cabinetry that is damaged, and then we'll be obviously replying the inside and reframing it all with all the aluminium put back into position where it should have been from factory and re-welded up. So stay tuned for a series of videos on where we're actually repairing this caravan. You'll be able to see the process, and if you have any questions, give us a call and we'll be able to help you out. Thanks, guys.